From the largest living cat to ferocious tigers and jaguars, here are 10 of the most dangerous jungle cats ever. Margay. These are small wild cats that can be found from the tropical evergreen forests of Central America to the high cloud forests of the Andes. Weighing less than 9 pounds or 4 kilograms, they look very much like an ocelot, which is coming up on our list. Margays are even called tree ocelots, since they're extremely adept at climbing trees. Unlike the ocelot, which hunts on the ground, the margay can spend its whole life among the branches. Leaping through the treetops, these cats will pursue prey that includes birds and smaller monkeys. Did you know that there are only 2 cat species that can climb down trees head first? The margay is one of them. Ocelot. We mentioned how the margay resembles this animal. And since they look a lot like domesticated felines as well, they're sometimes kept as pets. Even the painter Salvador Dali kept one. But weighing around 35 pounds or 16 kilograms and measuring some 3 feet long or 0.9 meters, these are still considered to be wild, nocturnal predators. Ocelots can inhabit a wide range of territory, extending from the southwestern US to Central and South America. And they can be found in several different habitats, including swamps, savannas, and tropical forests. They've even been found in cloud forests more than 6,500 feet high. That's over 2 kilometers. Ocelots tend to be solitary carnivores, chasing down prey like armadillos, rodents, and opossums. But their appetites seem to vary by region. In Brazil, ocelots are known to prey on primates, while in Mexico, the wildcats hunt down iguanas. Cougars. Within the Western Hemisphere, this animal has the widest range of any large, wild terrestrial mammal. Native to the Americas, cougars can be found as far north as the Canadian Yukon, and all the way down to the Andes Mountains of South America. Thank the animal's durability for enabling it to survive in a wide range of habitats, from all types of forests to deserts. And thanks to that extensive range, they've picked up dozens of different names along the way. Some of the more familiar ones include puma, catamount, and mountain lion. Weighing around 220 pounds or 100 kilograms, it ranks as the New World's second heaviest cat. Only the jaguar is larger. They're known to go after prey that weighs more than 1,000 pounds or nearly 500 kilograms. Even bull moose have been taken down by these critters. Sometimes cougars have been documented to fatally attack humans as well, although such occurrences are thought to be rare. But experts say that more attacks could occur as humans enter the cougar's territories in North America. King of the jungle. Really? We're about halfway through this list without mentioning the lion. So now let's take a look at what many people might believe to be the most dangerous of all the jungle cats. But that would be only half right. While lions can definitely be dangerous, they don't actually inhabit jungle or rainforest habitats. The 2 extant species of lions are normally found in the grassy plains or savannas of Africa and Asia. In fact, the Asiatic lion is only found in western India, where it survives around the Gir Forest National Park. So why are lions called the king of the jungle? Well, thanks to qualities including their raw power and majestic appearance, lions come off looking like kings. You could even say the lion's mane is a natural type of crown. As far as the mix-up with their habitat goes, we found several reasons mentioned for the oversight. That includes the mistranslation of the root word of jungle, which originally referred to a dry savanna-like area, not a rainforest. At any rate, it seems that a better choice for the title King of the Jungle would be the tiger, since they really do inhabit rainforests. What do you think? Jaguar. Not unlike the previously mentioned cougar, the jaguar can also be found across a wide expanse of territory. These big cats are distributed from the southwestern United States to the northern part of Argentina. Have you ever gotten a jaguar mixed up with a leopard? A lot of people have, thanks to the similar spots or rosettes that both cats possess. That patterning serves as camouflage in the critter's forest habitat, but the jaguar is larger, and its greater build and behaviour are actually more reminiscent of the tiger. Specimens as large as 350 pounds or 158 kilograms have been documented that measure more than 6 feet total. That's nearly 2 meters. Ranked third after the tiger and lion, the jaguar has the strongest bite force of any known felid. Experts say the bite force is powerful enough to pulverize even the heaviest bones. Strong enough to drag an 800-pound, 360-kilogram bull around 25 feet. The jaguar is also skilled at climbing and swimming. It all adds up to make jaguars some of the most dangerous cats found in the forest. Black panthers. We've just told you about leopards and jaguars, and how the two animals can greatly resemble one another. But here's another similarity they share, and it has nothing to do with their spots. When either species produces an animal that has an excess amount of melanin or dark pigmentation, that beast is identified as a black panther. Contrary to some mistaken beliefs, these sleek black cats are not a separate species. They're essentially color variants on the two species of cats. In the Americas, the animals are black jaguars, while in Africa and Asia, they're called black leopards. Excess melanin aside, each specimen retains all the physical attributes that they normally would. In fact, if you look closely enough, these animals would often retain their familiar spots, producing an effect called ghost striping. Black panthers aren't necessarily any more dangerous than their normal-hued counterparts, but they look like they could be. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Bengal Tiger. Weighing more than 700 pounds or 318 kilograms, this animal is typically regarded as the second largest species of big cat in the world. In the wild, only the Siberian tiger is larger. Inhabiting tropical evergreen forests of the Indian subcontinent, the cats were so numerous that hunters were encouraged to decimate their populations to make room for human settlements. They're known to have a preference for prey that weighs close to 400 pounds or nearly 200 kilograms, including wild pigs and sambar deer. Did you know that these carnivores can chow down nearly 90 pounds, 41 kilograms of meat in a single go? And sometimes their meal has included human meat. In certain areas of Bangladesh and India, these tigers are thought to kill around 50 people every year. Experts say that some of these creatures have been confirmed to actively seek out human prey. Large living liger. Even though this big cat is named for the mythical Greek demigod, there is no doubt about the existence of this Hercules. As the offspring of a male African lion and Bengal tigress, he's known as a liger, a species that is only found in captivity. But these hybrids can grow larger than either of their parent species. In the case of Hercules, Guinness cited him as the world's largest extant non-obese cat. No wonder, given that the animal weighs around 922 pounds or 418 kilograms and measures more than 11 feet long. That's nearly 4 meters. That sheer size has brought Hercules some giant-sized notoriety, including some pictures of the giant cat apparently visiting London in 2010. In fact, those pictures were taken in the US at a Myrtle Beach location, which featured a mock-up English town. While that appearance might have been deceiving, make no mistake that this cat is an extremely agile and powerful critter. Since he's half tiger and half lion, Hercules would be at home in both the savannah or in a rainforest, and he would likely be the most dangerous cat found in either habitat. Sumatran Tiger. At a little over 300 pounds or 136 kilograms, these qualify as some of the smaller big cats, and they are in fact one of the smallest tiger species. But even though they're not as big as some others, they're still powerful enough to crack the legs of horses and buffaloes. And they're tough enough to take down prey like tapirs and porcupines. They're still found dispersed across the forest areas of Sumatra, although their population is listed at less than 700 individuals. Part of their declining population is due to their confrontations they've had with humans. As an example, these tigers have reportedly killed nearly 150 people between 1987 and 1999. In retaliation, more than 350 tigers were killed or captured. No wonder that these animals are now listed as critically endangered. Leopards. Moving from jaguars to leopards might make you feel like you're seeing spots. One difference between the patterns of these two cats is that the leopard spots can be smaller than the jaguars. Experts say the patterns act as a type of field fingerprint system, because each pattern is unique to the individual. Weighing around 200 pounds, 90 kilograms, and measuring more than 6 feet long or 1.8 meters on average, these animals can be found in a wide range of habitats from sub-Saharan Africa and parts of Asia. They're known for being strong enough to drag heavy prey into the trees. And they're also known for their speed, able to run up to 36 miles per hour or nearly 60 kilometers per hour. Their prey usually consists of medium-sized animals like impalas, but the cats are known to occasionally prey on humans. More than 400 fatal leopard attacks were documented in the early 20th century in India. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications when we next upload.